Hello everyone, this is Jubair Khan and you are watching Joravi Nursing online classes. In last video, I have introduced about the skill test. What is the skill test? How it will be happen? How you have to perform in this. So we will discuss about the skill test in details by topic wise. So I brought a new topic of skill test for you, that is bed making. Bed making, that is a basic procedure of our fundamental of nursing. So there are so many beds. You would have done bed making in your course period. So how you have to perform the bed making? So first we should know in skill test how they will ask you to perform the bed making, what bed they might ask you to perform. Like if you are going on first session and examiner ask you to do first bed making, so first bed making how you will do? So first, when you are going to the station, then examiner will be there. First you need to wish the examiner. So this is the main thing you need to remember. Without wishing, you should not go directly and do the procedure and all. So first wish the examiner good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever it is. So first you need to wish the examiner. Then he might ask you to do open bed. Open bed means what? So these all everything beds we will see. So if open bed, he is asking, open bed means patient is admitted in the hospital and that bed is, you have to make a ready who is going to come in this bed. Already patient is there in bed, but he went for some procedure or for toilet or any other thing, though he will come on his bed. So you need to make ready the bed. So how you will make? So these everything we will see. So and if already bed sheets are there, soiled bed sheets, so you have to remove that bed sheets. So how you will remove? By directly hands you will remove, or you will wear the gloves and all, or you will not wear the gloves. So how you will remove the bed sheets and all, this everything we will see. So let us start the video.
So our topic is bed making. So how we have to perform bed making in skill test. So first we'll see what are the types of bed. So types of beds, in types of beds, so many beds are there. What if for a skill test, these four beds are very important. What are they? Unoccupied bed, occupied bed, cardiac bed and post-operative bed. These four beds are very important in your skill test in JIPMER or AIIMS Patna. So in mostly they will ask you to perform unoccupied bed. In these four beds also unoccupied bed and post-operative bed, these both beds are very important. So this you have to go through it. So other beds are what are the other beds? Amputation bed, fracture bed, therapeutic bed, cradle beds. So many other beds are also there, but we will see here mostly this four: unoccupied, occupied, cardiac and post-operative beds. So unoccupied bed, there are two types of unoccupied bed. One you can see here, open bed is there, another one is closed bed is here. So they will ask you to perform open bed, so you have to make open bed. If they say perform closed bed, then you have to perform closed bed. If they are saying perform unoccupied bed, then you need to prepare, either you can put open bed or closed bed. So I will say what is the open bed. Open bed means it is for a patient who is already admitted in the hospital, but he went for any procedure or any for toilet or anywhere, but he is not available on the bed. So before he comes, you need to prepare a bed that he can easily come on the bed. So that we say open bed. So in open bed you can see here, this top bed sheets are in the side of this top bed sheet at the lower side. so which is folded at the lower side. Whereas in closed bed for what? Closed bed, the patient who is going to admit in the hospital, that mean this bed is for new patient who is going to admit in the hospital, so you need to ready a new bed for a new patient. So in this you can see this top bed sheet is up to level of the head, so you have to fold this like this. So in open bed it will be folded in the lower side, and this it will be spread on the full of bed up to level of head. So in you can see here closed bed, one with the linen pulled to the top of the bed, so this linen has pulled up to the head, but in open bed it will be downward only. In this also it has up, but it will be very down to the lower part of the bed, that mean bottom, that mean leg side. So this open bed is for already patient is there, but he is not available on the bed, he went for some procedure or somewhere, but he will come soon on this bed, so you need to prepare this open bed. When closed bed, this is for new patient. So how you will perform it? So we will see the steps of bed making. So coming to the steps of bed making, first you need a bottom sheet. So bottom linen you need. So bottom sheet, what you will do, you will spread a bottom sheet. In this bottom sheet, first you will spread it and you will tuck from up and down, then up and down. After putting like this, you need to make a corner, like this you have to do. So see, you can do, see this is the corner. So then you have to take this corner up, on this you have to put on the bed, this corner you need to put the bed. So you can see here you have put that corner up the bed, whatever remaining part is there you need to tuck it like this, you need to tuck it. After tucking it, it will be like this. So this corner is, you can see this is, it is making 45-degree angle. You can see here it is making a 45-degree angle. You can see here this is the 45-degree angle. So you need to put like this, then you will do, it will be down, then again you need to put this inside the bed, you need to tuck it again. Okay, so after tucking it, after bottom sheet you need to place a top, in this you need to put a Macintosh, then draw sheet. So here first, before draw sheet you need to put the Macintosh. After Macintosh you have to put a draw sheet, you have to spread a draw sheet of the top of the bottom sheet. Okay, like this. Then you have to tuck from the both sides. Then you need to take a top sheet or blanket. You can take a top sheet or you can take a blanket. So you have to tuck it from both sides, but it won't be fully tucked. So it will be like this. Then you have to spread all over the bed. If it is open bed, then it will be till here. If it is a closed bed, it will go to the up. Then like this you have to make the corner. This is also, he is making a 45-degree angle. So this is the, then you need to tuck it from here, then you have to left it out, you no need to tuck it again this. Okay, so it will be like this only. So first what you have to do, bottom sheet you have put, then Macintosh, then draw sheet, then after that blanket or top sheet you can put. Then you have to make this 45-degree angle, then you need to tuck it. Then that remaining part, this 45 angle, you no need to tuck it for top sheet. For bottom sheet you have to tuck it, for top sheet you need to tuck it. It will be just like this. See, then folded the cup top sheet, that you have to fold the top sheet. If you are making closed bed, it will go up to the head side. Then what you have to do, you have to again fold it just like this. If it is open bed, then you have to fold so much till the where till down of the bed. Then you need to prepare a pillow like this she is preparing. So one more thing I want to say, when you are making a open bed or closed bed, so before if bed sheets are soiled, you need to remove it. So how you will remove, you need, if it is soiled, whatever it is there, you need to wear a clean gloves, not sterile, clean gloves. Then you have to take it out, and it should not touch your body or your uniform, okay, and directly discard in the dust this bin of the linens, okay. So this you need to remember. So, and after doing bed making, you need to do hand washing or hand rub, you have to use this. Everything will be, they will be seeing how you are performing, okay. So 5 moments of hand washing when whether you are performing or not. So this is an unoccupied bed. Now coming to occupied bed, what is occupied bed? In occupied bed, patients will be on the bed. So patient will be on the bed, then patient may be conscious, or patient can't come out of the bed, can't stay out of the bed. So you need to perform the bed making when patient is on the bed. So how you will perform? If patient is unconscious, then how you will perform? So first main thing, you need to up the side rail. This side rails is there, you need to put side rails of one side, then make the patient in side lying position at one side, then fan fold or roll clean bottom sheet on the bed, then tuck under soiled linen. Then you need to roll the whatever soiled linen is there. See here, you can see she has rolled this linen. So she has rolled this old linen, then she has tucked here. This is new linen, new bed sheet, new top bottom bed sheet. Then you have to tuck it, then again you have to roll like this. Then okay, so here she has, this is old bed sheet she has rolled up. Then after that she has done what? New bed sheet she has tucked it and fan folded. Then what she will do? She will take Macintosh and drawers she will tuck it, then again she will fan fold or roll on the bed sheet and tucked under the soiled linen. Then after that she will, what she will do, what you have to do, then turn the patient in another side. So in another side you have to turn the patient. Then remember always, when you are making the occupied bed, never forget to pull side rails up while making occupied bed. This I already said, whenever you are making occupied bed, so you need to put the side rails. So the examiner might ask you to do the occupied bed. So in Jipmer or in AIIMS Patna, if you are going first station or second station, whatever station is there, if they ask you to perform occupied bed, so dummy will be there. So when you are going to do the occupied bed, so first make sure you will put the side rails up, okay. So this side, like you are putting here bed sheets, so this side you need to put the side rails up, okay. So don't forget this. So this is the main things in occupied bed, okay. So like this, then you can spread it and you can tuck it like unoccupied bed you have tucked in every corner, like that you can put. Then after that, when you are removing this bed sheet, doing this bed sheet and removing this, you need to cover the patient with the top bed sheet. Like here you can see, cover client with a blanket, for warmth or modesty while top sheets and blankets are removed. So okay, you need to first cover the patient with the top bed sheet or blanket. So these steps you need to first inform the patient. If patient is conscious, then inform the patient, then cover the patient with the blanket or top sheet, then fold the bottom sheet, soiled linen like this, then take a new sheet, tuck it from the both sides, then roll fan fold it, then take a draw sheet or with Macintosh if you want to put, then again fan fold it and roll over it, then from the next side you can take it and you can tuck it, and but in this you need to put the side rails up. So this is the occupied bed. Okay, so this you need to remember. Okay, so next is cardiac bed. Cardiac bed is bed making is same only, but cardiac bed is some different. So in cardiac bed, what is cardiac bed? Cardiac bed is made with a special arrangement which are required by a cardiac patient. Cardiac patient's bed is made a manner to aid the respiration of patients. Bed is provided with the extra pillow to kept on the bedside. So what you need to do in this, you need to provide a Follis position, semi-Follis position you need to provide the bed patient, and in this cardiac table will be there, and you need some 2-3 pillows which are kept under the head of the patient. Okay, head side of the patients. Okay, so patient can easily sit and easily breathe. So this you can see the cardiac bed. So in cardiac bed you need to provide the position. Okay, semi-Follis position you need to provide, and cardiac table will be there, nothing special more than this. And like this oxygen mask and nasogastric tube etc, it will be there, that all equipments you need to keep there. Okay, so this is the cardiac bed. Then coming to post-operative bed and surgical bed, this is very important bed they might ask you to perform. So in this top bottom sheet you can see here, bottom sheet will be, you have to put like before in occupied unoccupied you have to put like that, you have to put, but for draw sheet and what is that, sorry, draw sheet also you have to put, then top sheet or blanket you need to fold it like sidewise, you need not to fold by lengthwise, you need to fold by with the widthwise. This is the, so widthwise you need to fold it, and you need to keep ready all the suction equipment, vitals or thermometer and oxygen saturation and ECG, everything you need to keep ready. Post-operative means what, when patient went for surgery and he will come after surgery. So post-operative period you need to keep ready a bed, so you need to put a linen like this, you need to, so why we are putting this linen, so easily we can transfer the patient to the bed. So this is the surgical or recovery bed or post-operative bed we say. So I hope you would have understand. So in this bed making in a skill test, first thing you need to remember, when you are going to the do a skill test or station you are going, you need to visit the examiner. Then when he asks you to perform open bed or closed bed, you need to put step by step, don't go in hurry, be calm and do everything calmly. And one more thing I want to say, if they are asking, please explain in English only. Those who are from North India, again I am saying, for JIPMER I am saying, please be with English. Okay, so I hope you would have understand this. If you have any queries, please comment on this, then I will try to solve in another video. So next topic we will see in next video, that is vitals, or any other topic we will see in next video. So thank you all of you. Please, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe this, like my videos and share it. Thank you.